Oh.
You got the clip on the helmet. Come here. We're gonna make you a photographer.
Yo, what up? What? Alright.
You're a photographer now. There you go. You got a GoPro. All right. So just pick whether you want to go to the outside or the inside. Okay.
Yo, what's up?
You have to have a clip.
Yo,
On the outside,
wait, is
I have
it
to
playing
spot
right
you.
now?
Yeah.
You don't have to stay with your buddy. Do the same thing as your buddy. Just stay with your buddy. Make sense?
Oh, subscribe to the channel.
Make sure you like it.
Oh my god.
Right?
The whole UK is sponsoring this thing.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah.
And once I blow up, you won't forget.
Feed him, he's poor.
You got a load of these
Put
guys.
here.
His name's Grogan, though.
Swing
Yo,
your right foot around
Q, you
there.
might have to take
Keep your
Theodore.
body over top.
I'm gonna tell you his address, too.
Let's go under.
That's it. Just like that. Just like that.
I'm recording all of y'all.
Up you go.
You got him?
Are we going under then?
Oh my god.
Bro! Do not drop Theodore.
Here, you ready?
I thought someone dropped.
Catch that.
You ready?
You
You
going under? God.
I have to wait for my buddy.
Where's your buddy?
As you can see, they're all going up.
Dora.
Who did that?
That was
That's
her.
it.
That was obvious to her.
Very good.
Yeah.
Very
Yo,
good.
buddy, you good, Q?
So,
Alright,
this man's just chilling.
Guys are doing great.
He's a random. We just saw him in the cave.
Very good.
He's not supposed to be here.
Hold on, wait. So I don't. You don't have to.
Yeah, no, you don't have to go up the same way as your buddy.
Excuse me.
When you get up there, just meet your buddy up there.
Okay, I'm gonna meet
He's about to go up.
We're gonna hold up for you.
You going down?
We got it.
No, me and you were going down.
You just said you're about to go up.
Down was better. You feel that, audience?
Bro, I'm going up. I'm waiting for the dragon to go.
Should so be in the
Get
video.
away from me.
Oh,
And then,
water just dripped on there.
there you go.
Oh my god.
Come on, go down.
Oh, we got to wait for Alan to tell us to go down.
Okay.
Alan, can we go down?
No, why not?
Alan, can we go down?
Down where?
I don't know.
The way they're going.
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
Alright.
Okay, I'll go
Where are
first.
they going? Yeah, it's-
Like right to that thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go. I'm sorry, wait till she's out of the way.
Is this actually gonna be in the?
Okay, just keep your body over top of your feet.
Is this actually gonna be in the video? My GoPro?
Yeah, these are batteries like GoPro.
You go under it.
Oh, okay, you got it. Which way do you use? Yeah, go ahead.
I went up last time.
Oh, you
I'll go
tell
down
us when
this
to
time, I
go.
don't mind.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna fall if I do that.
Oh, really?
Easier.
Go ahead.
That works for me.
Try it again.
You got this.
Should I go?
Keep your body on top of your feet. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, just keep going.
Watch your GoPro. Keep your head down. Keep your head down.
I am.
Over to there. One more. There you go. You're perfect. Go ahead. Got it. One step at a time. You blink your eyes, twinkle your nose, and then you'll just float right off. I learned that from Santa Claus.
Oh, that's gonna. I'm gonna spill that if I do that.
No. I got your foot here. Then you're gonna put your other foot right here. Okay?
Okay.
You know what I do is keep your body over top of your feet. We'll let your body go back. Okay? All right. And I got your foot. You're not gonna go in there.
No, I am.
No, if you start to sway
Oh, this one's struggling. You see, audience? She's struggling. Yep, you.
that's perfect. That's good.
Oh, shoot.
You did really good. Go.
Yo, you see, this is the upper
Oh
part.
yeah, you guys got pool testing before your pool party though.
No, we already tested.
Yeah, you're getting swim testing before it.
We already got.
The girls are. Have you guys done yours?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. What's your question? So like we do some tests in week. Do we stay in the pool area after some tests? Yeah. Oh, okay.
Jackson, are you
And
green or
these
yellow?
two are chill.
Are you green or yellow?
Green or
yellow? Green?
Green.
Yeah, the little bull. What's his name?
Markel. I don't
Markel.
think he did the
Yeah,
test.
he's still red.
I don't think he did the test.
Last night.
recording.
Yeah, bro, you want to switch on?
Were you actually recording?
Yeah.
What's up, vlog? I'm not gonna touch it. Okay. Say what's up. I'm gonna look crazy on this. I'm already
Yeah,
knowing.
bro, you want to switch on and stuff?
No.
Come on, let's
This is my helmet.
Your POV.
I need to watch this, bro.
Old man.
Is that God?
This is really.
Yeah, so you just left your buddy?
He was right behind me.
There he is. Big nose.
Goggin.
Goggin, go over here.
Go in the most dangerous spot.
Who wants to hold Teddy?
Me.
All of them.
Somebody else. Who?
That was a nice catch.
All the time, too.
Yo, I need to watch this girl
Dangerous
though.
spot that you can find.
It's supposed to get hotter, too.
Yo, make sure you don't fall down that.
It's getting colder.
He said it's supposed to get hotter.
I wanted to get hotter. It's cold. I hate it.
You would rather be cold.
Who wants to catch you?
Yo,
I'd
don't.
rather be
Make sure you
cold.
don't drop it, cause
Cause like everybody body heat
Then he's
will
gone.
keep you sustainable.
I can't handle the cold.
Your hands are covered with mud, huh?
Bro, I'm ready to go on to the next step.
Personally, I can't even handle any of these.
By the way, when we leave
The
this,
most cold that I can go through
that makes
is 70.
Huh?
Under 70, the only reason I'll go under 70 is if I'm extremely, extremely hot. I have a breath cancer. Close to death type hot.
Okay. Can I get over there?
Yeah, sure.
I know you can't see me in the dark where I'm pointing, but I'm gonna get over
Look
there.
how
Get over
dark
there
that is.
somewhere.
We were just down there. It looked like it was.
It doesn't make any difference.
That's crazy.
This is mad fun.
It's clear. As long as I don't step on anybody. It's not a pretty sight when I do that.
Good old child.
Oh, let's follow him.
All right. We're just slowly getting acclimated here in the dark.
Yeah,
There's this thing here. That I don't get to use this. I'm gonna try to keep it.
What's that look?
That's,
That looks so
Oh,
good.
no, that's from the
that's
side.
that way. We can go down there and get just stuff. I don't know. I feel like there was a rock slide here at some point and this rock just got stuck here.
Anyway. I'm not gonna do anything with that. This room. That's it. Just we have, where we came up is one passage. This is what I mean by, this is a maze cave. There's a passage that came up. If you look down that hole right there, there's a hole there that goes on the other side of this big wall. And there's a walking passage on the other side of that. If you look down there, there's a hole there too. That goes this way and behind this big wall over there. It's a crawling passage to a big chimney. It's about this big around and it goes up about 6-7 feet. We're not going to do that right now. It's a little tough to do. So we're not going to do that. We're going to, behind me, there's a crack here that we're going to go down. And the trick to this one, it's not as bad as it sounds, is as you're facing that direction on the left-hand side, you'll see a crack in the wall that's horizontal, that's about the height of your feet. Okay? And you're going to stick your toes in that. I'll show you how to do that as we go. You're going to stick your toes in that and lean against the opposite wall, kind of like do a Batman type of thing, shimmying down the wall. It's not that high up, really. It may look sketchy, but you're only like 2 feet off the ground. It's not that high up. And as you get down, further down this crack, When it stops, there's another crack right below that you step down on. You either keep going or else just step down onto the floor. Okay? So take care of the person behind you. Okay?
Go. Like and subscribe, guys.
Alright, you ready, buddy? You ready, Goggin?
Always, man. Come on. Is Teddy ready?
Teddy's always ready. If he's with me.
He already fell once and got dirty.
No, it's fine, trust me. Just a little scratch.
Wait, who fell?
Teddy.
Teddy right here.
That's Teddy, guys. Teddy on pool. Let's go.
You guys just hanging out together? Oh, sure.
Yeah, we're a duo, so.
I'm trying to look at stuff when I want my life. Yo, is that a pool?
Where? I doubt it was two. Wait, is that? Oh.
Let's go, buddy.
Nah, because it didn't look like two for a second, too. Oh, yeah, I thought you were just talking.
Yo, catch him.
I'm actually dropped him when he fell down there. What you gonna do then?
Then I have to save him. Feel me? Yo, how am I gonna do this with Teddy?
Here, I got Teddy.
Pass him around. Pass him to the front.
Yo, who wants Teddy? In the front.
Where am I going? You can go first,
Yo,
man.
that's a big piece of clay. I know that's clay too. That is not clay, that is a rock. What am I on?
Yo, Jackson, keep on second while I do this.
Yo, why would you touch me?
I got you. What are you talking about?
That would scared me, bro.
Roots.
You're welcome.
Wait, those are roots? Those are roots. We are both like.
You good? What?
I like my ankle. Real hard.
Imagine you had to like.
Sorry, buddy.
You good, Lester? I know, I slipped too.
Yeah, I don't want to slip on this.
Yo, I didn't know we had to do this. Yeah.
Oh, I'm so scared.
I'm gonna just
Yo,
sit.
just don't look down.
I'm gonna look
Why you take
down.
that
Wait, what do you mean don't look down?
Just trust me, when you get over here, you'll know.
Hey, yo, look down though.
Wait, what y'all mean?
Bro, just don't look down. That's all I'm saying.
I
Just
don't know what to do, bro. What we doing? Yo, you good?
Yeah, might be.
Come
I'm
on.
not gonna lie, somebody make gas in here. Oh, bad.
Oh, nah.
Yeah, we're lucky the big guy didn't come.
Bro, why?
Come back this way. Behind me, yeah. Go up to-
Wait, we're going back.
No, behind him.
Dang it. Oh my goodness.
If you go this way.
there you go, buddy.
Yeah, I'm good.
You got it?
You good, man?
Yep.
Okay,
Literally just drop.
We're gonna have to catch him.
Take 1 foot.
Ow.
Yeah, take this other one.
Like that.
That includes all that.
You can just follow that.
Yeah, this is wild.
Everybody down here. In here. This one out. Yeah, okay. How many more we got coming? Three.
You just drop?
You could if you want to.
I'm not gonna.
Mike?
Yeah, just
Okay.
go
this one,
get, who we got, Jackson? No.
No.
Lincoln.
This is
The
called
blue Power Ranger.
wishing well, okay?
I'm the breaker from the hero.
You good, Mike?
Not really under a well. It's just, that's just what it's called. I'm gonna ask everybody to stay outside of this circle here, so that the people who are going down there, they can get back out if they
That rock's
want to
wobbly.
get back out, okay? Because sometimes people get down in it and they decide they don't want to do it, and they have to come back out again. You don't have to do this, okay? This is only if you really, really want to, except for you. Because you made it look so easy going through that other one. So I'm gonna make you do this. This is, it's got what we call a pinch. It's not really a pinch. It's an opening about this big, but it only lasts about this long, okay? So it's not that far. Once you get past that, you belly crawl it's maybe 2 feet high and 6 feet wide, maybe a little bit wider, and for about 20 feet. So it's not really that bad. And you go to the other side of this big hunk of rock here, where you can stand up in another passageway. And when you get into that passageway, you're going to make a left and go down till you see another passage coming in on the left-hand side, and you're going to wait there. Okay? Now, you don't have to do this. And if you just want to go look at it, you could do that. If you want to pretend that you did it and want me to take a picture of you just sticking out of it, we can do that too. And it just makes it look like you did it. Okay? Except for you have to do it. So, and if your buddy doesn't want to do it, you guys can swap buddies. Okay?
I do.
And there's an easy way to go. We're going to go that way.
We're doing
for the
everything.
easy people that want to do the easy part.
got that.
But it's
We got that.
easier. Easier. You have to climb over some big rocks. Okay? Now, do you remember in that last room, I said that there was a passage down there, and it was behind this other rock here, belly crawl, to a big chimney. That chimney is right over here, up in this passage here. And that comes, you climb all the way up there, and then you climb out and come down here. Now, those of you that want to try it on the way back, we can do it in the reverse. Okay? If you really want to, hey, I want to do it. All right? So, who wants to go first? Me. Oh, wow, you had your hand up first.
Hold up, I did not. I don't see it. What do you do?
Right there, bro.
Yeah, it's just a dip. You just go down.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Okay, we're going to take a look, see how you do that.
Should we go head first or feet first?
Head first.
Gila. How you just sit through that? How many people
G-Lo and special sauce. Now I can remember
Got
it.
stuck in it?
You didn't even know how to talk
There's nobody stuck in it now.
Oh, there behind.
What is he doing?
You have to do that.
Well, look at G-Lo. I don't
Yo,
know.
Me.
you didn't let me see it. What am I supposed to do?
Oh, she's done. She's gone down and that way.
Okay,
That's
wait
what
till
she's
that
done.
feet are completely
I don't know.
up.
If I'm,
Okay,
Stressing for no
go right.
reason.
what? Because I couldn't see what he was saying.
You go down there.
Now, when you go in, please stay with your body. Okay, now her feet are gone. That's the toughest part right there. After that, it's just an easy belly crawl.
Please comment, like, and share. It helps others find this video.